Macaroons, chocolate chips, bean wafer, Oreo, peanut butter, these are all types of cookies. But today, I'm going to talk about mud cookies. Yes, you heard me right, mud cookies. In 2008, images surfaced of women spreading spoonfuls of mud into discs and drying them in the hot sun. Indeed, these discs were meant to be mud cookies. Mud cookies are the regular food for the people of Haiti. Haiti is an island between the Caribbean Sea and the North Atlantic Ocean near Cuba. The people of Haiti are regularly forced to eat cookies made up of mud, as 80% of the population lives under the poverty line. These cookies are made up of mud, a pinch of salt, and vegetable oil. Rarely, sugar is added to make the cookies sweet because consuming sugar is a luxury for him. This region is prone to natural disasters, which makes agriculture very difficult. This issue is in limelight since the past 15 years. I hope it gets resolved soon and life gets easier for Haitians. Thank you.